went deep sea diving with some friends. If he descends at a rate of 6 feet per minute, what integer represents his depth in a half of an hour? So 6 feet per minute. So he went down 6 feet in 1 minute. In 30 minutes, you do 6 times 30, which is negative 180, because 30 minutes. Because 30 minutes, 6 times 3, which is 18, and then you just add a 0, which is negative 180. A pool will be drained at a constant rate of 51.2 liters per hour, starting at 8 a.m. After 1 hour, the change in the amount of water in the tank can be represented as 51.2 points. Which of the following represented the total change in the amount of water in the tank by 8 a.m. the next day? So you do because 8 a.m. It says 8 a.m. and 8 a.m., which is 24 hours. So you do 51.2 negative 51.2 times 24. So you do 2 times 4, which is 8, 10 times 4, which is 40, and then 500 times 4, which is equals 2,000, and then all that equals is 2,048, and then 20 times 2 equals 40, and then 10 times 20 equals 200, 500 times 20 equals 10,000, and then you add and then you do 2048 and plus 10,240, which equals 1228.8. Jonathan is keeping track of how much money he earned or spent last week. He bought a cup of soup for $6. He earned $13 for cleaning his room. He spent $8 to go see the movies with friends. He acquired a $9 for getting an A in math. Finally, he found $3 in the restroom. How much did he have left? So you do. So it's negative. You start at negative 6 because he didn't have any money, which is starting at 0. So negative 6 plus 13, which is 7, and 7 minus 8, which is 1, and then 1 plus 10, which is 11, and then 11 plus 3, which is 14. The next question is, if the temperature in the North Pole is negative 20 degrees and it drops another 12 degrees, what will the temperature be? So it starts out at 20, negative 20, and then it goes down another 12, and then you add a negative 20 plus 12 equals negative 32, and we're done.